Okay guys, last try. I'm not gonna give up though, because I'm gonna keep doing this until I get it right. Because I'm pretty sure you can recreate this this pour. So I'm going to cover the whole thing. It is a little on the thick side. I can see that maybe that's the problem, but I do want it covered. Here it goes, coming over the side. Could be that it's almost in the right consistency. But the one I'm going to blow over it, it's going to be a little thinner anyway, so that's going to work out. There you go. Because if we get color over the side, I don't want to touch up the sides afterwards. I like it when it spreads over and does its own thing. Okay, that is totally black. Now put this aside. Now someone yesterday said I did this with a airbrush. Wait a minute, gotta plug it in. Can't find it. Okay, I'll cut that bit out. Okay, someone yesterday said I did that thing with the airbrush. This is not an airbrush, guys. This is a hairdryer. I just made this thing in majingy, you know, to make sure that the air comes out a little bit more smooth, and we'll see how that works out. Now, I'm gonna do pink. I like the pink. So we're going to give it a little bit more here and there. I'm going to do two puddles. And I like how the green matches it. This one's going to go in the middle. And of course, the lovely turquoise. We're going to put that there. And we might like, let's see, green, we have that. We need a little bit of orange. Not too much though. A little bit there and there. I want some yellow. Some light yellow. And a little bit of another color pink. Okay, now we're gonna spread this around, and I better roll up my sleeves because it's gonna not work. Okay, that's enough. That's it. That's all I'm gonna do, I think. Just let's see how this pops up now. Okay, this is really pretty. I like this. See how the colors are popping up? I'm not gonna tilt it. And I can see here where the silicone is causing the canvas to show through, but that's no problem because I'm going to fix that later. But if you can see how beautiful the lacing and the cells are, even these flower cells, normally never get them, but that is because the paint is a little on the thin side. Then you get these little flowery cells with like it's almost like there's little petals on them. Can you see that? This is really pretty. So we're going to put this one away and we're going to let it dry exactly like this. I love this bit here. That is really beautiful. I would like to tilt it a little bit, but let's not do it. Don't ruin it, because I'm pretty happy with how it's turned out. You can't see the whole thing because it's glaring a little bit, but that's better. So there's a lot of color and there's some beautiful background showing through, and there's little bits going on here and there, so I just love it. We're gonna keep it exactly like this. Okay guys, like I said, this was the last video for this weekend. I am working on another video, but that won't be ready until tomorrow, so you're gonna get a really totally new technique tomorrow. It's with resin, and I'm gonna make object out of it. So see you tomorrow. Love you all to pieces. Liebe euch alle, hou van jullie allemaal. See you in the next video. Later.